In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a client workflow in Asana from scratch. Start on your PC by opening your web browser and heading to asana.com. Click Log In and sign in as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Projects. This is where all your workspaces live. To create a fresh space for your client work, click the plus icon for New Project, then choose Blank Project so you have full control over the setup. Give your project a clear descriptive name that everyone on your team will understand. Next, choose the list view. This format keeps tasks neat and easy to scan, which is perfect for a simple pipeline. Click Create to open your new project. Now let's structure your workflow with sections. Click Add Section and type New Client, then press Enter. Add another section called In Progress and press Enter. Add a third section named Waiting for Client and press Enter. Finally, add a fourth section called Completed and press Enter. These sections represent the stages of your client pipeline, so you can quickly see where each client stands at any time. To capture important details, we'll add custom fields. In the top right, click Customize, then click Fields. Choose Create New Field. Name this field Client Name, select text as the type, and click Create. This lets you record the client's exact name consistently across tasks. Click Add Field again, then Create New Field. Name this one Delivery Date, choose Date, and click Create. This will help you track deadlines and keep the team aligned. Let's add your first task. Under the New Client section, click Add Task and type the client task, for example, Website for ABC. Press Enter to save it. Now click the task to open its details. Fill in the client name field with the client's name, then set the delivery date using the date picker. Assign the task to the appropriate team member so everyone knows who is responsible. As work moves forward, drag the task from New Client to In Progress, then to Waiting for Client when you're waiting on feedback or assets, and finally to Completed once everything is done. This simple motion through the sections gives you a visual snapshot of progress without extra effort. That's it. You now have a clean, trackable client workflow in Asana, complete with sections for each stage and custom fields for the key information you need.